Why is ChatGPT not citing your SaaS? You have probably spent months ranking on Google, but here's the brutal truth. If ChatGPT and other AI tools don't cite you, you're invisible to buyers who are already using AI to research solutions. Today, I'll show you a diagnostic prompt that gives your site a 1 to 10 citability score, tells you the 3 reasons you're ignored, and shows you one fix you can start today. This is the exact framework I use with SaaS founders to reverse invisibility in AI search. Instead of vague SEO advice, this prompt forces ChatGPT to audit your site like an AI evaluator. It looks at evidence, authority signals, technical structure, and competitive gaps, and then spits out a prioritized action plan. Let me show you how it works.
This is the full diagnostic. Don't get scared by the length because it's built for clarity and precision. To use it, just replace your domain right here. Let's just say we are picking up cumlet.com, one of our clients. We'll remove the brackets. We'll come down. We'll change this. Now, if you want sharper results, fill in primary topics, GEO, top competitors, primary queries. For example, my primary topic would be as video hosting SaaS. My GEO is US. Top competitors are Vimeo and Vistia. Okay, and then we have primary query would be video hosting for SaaS. Now, once you have done this, you have to make sure your browsing is enabled right here. If not, you'll have to come down right here and fill this up. Quick data pack. Your domain, your top pages, competitors, profiles, and must rank prompts. When this is done, I'm copying it for my sake. On ChatGPT 5 Auto, I'll press enter. Perfect. It's right here. And what exactly you're seeing on your screen is your citation score from 1 to 10, a heat map table that is breaking down authority, evidence, technical, and competitive signals. Then we have the top 3 reasons you're not cited. And then we have a 30, 60, 90-day plan. And finally, it will even flag if you need external support to build citation-worthy assets.
This is not just an SEO audit, it's about answering a new question. Would ChatGPT cite you? Because if the answer is no, it means your SaaS won't show up in AI-driven buyer journeys. That is the difference between being invisible in the next decade or being the go-to solution your market finds first. Go and try this prompt right now. Drop your score in the comments. I would love to hear where your SaaS stands. And if you want to go beyond diagnosis and actually make your site citation worthy, you know where to find me.